Hello cutie pie, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here. Today we are doing a little twerk routine to one of my favorite songs. If you want to see the routine before you start learning it, go over to the description and watch the video. If not, then stay here. We start in a squatted position. We do 2 bounces up, 2 bounces down, 2 bounces up, 2 bounces down. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Then you come up and you jiggle. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you come back down and make sure to caress, gently caress your bootay and your legs all the way down. Then what we do is we start with a whine. So basically you can decide which side you want to go. You don't have to do from left to right, which is what I will be doing. If you feel like right to left is your side, I'm absolutely fine with that. So the basics is 4 whines. 1, 2, 8 whines. I am lying. 8. 8 circles. And if you want to add a little spice, so you can either do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or you can step 1, 2, 3, 4 while you are whining, which will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or option 3, so many options. Option 3, you can just lean to either side for 2 counts while you whine. So right, left, right, left. Then after that, you bounce up 4 times, or actually 6 times, but first 4 plain ones. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you lift your left heel while you pop up, and you lift your right heel while you pop up, and then you go beep, because he says definitely don't give a fuck. So we go boom, boom, and turn. So you turn to the left, place your left hand in your side, and you flick someone off. Let's do it from the start. If this went a little bit too fast, that's absolutely no problem. You can rewind until you are sick of it. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have up, 2, and down, down, up, up, down, down, and jiggle, and jiggle, and jiggle, and down, and whine, 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 and whine, whine, and whine, whine, and bounce. 2, 3, 4, and left, right, and I hope you like this little choreo. I will, again, the link of the video with the music is in the description. I will see you back next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. You know the drill. And I will see you back. Bye. Love ya.